Afternoon, Peter. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Kona. As you can see, I got the one that you specifically inquired about pulled up behind me. Let's go through it real quick. Got our beautiful cascading diamond cut grille here, wrapped around LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, 17-inch premium alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires. This one right here is going to have your LED turn signals on the rear view mirrors there, blind spot detection. It's also got a proximity key. This one's going to have our premium cloth with the two-tone with the black and the houndstooth. You got our LED touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, heated seats, all sorts of different drive modes, lane keep assist, you name it, it's on here. But Peter, that's not the best part about our vehicles. The best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. That's going to cover you bumper to bumper. And then you're going to have a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain. We double that here exclusively at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles. My name's Kevin. I'll be your point of contact here. You can reach me on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron and Hoover.